Talk to our governor. Ilikuwaje?
Nilikuwa nataka choo. Nilikuwa nataka kuepa huko katikati street ndio nifike nyumbani salama. Napata wamejificha huko.
Nani? Askari?
Kwa maandamano ya. Akaanza kumsambulia.
Okay. What is like gunshots?
It has been treated.
It has been treated as
Pole.
Asante sana.
Hata kama ulikuwa maandamano sio shida. Shida ni kwamba ni uharibifu wa mali peke yake, but again you guys quick recovery. Mrudi kazi.
Asante sana.
Sasa.
Yes.
Yeah. We're here as Kisii County to do recount of what happened yesterday out of the protest our people had. The protest, as it were, it was a peaceful demonstrations we expected to have happened in Kisii County and Kantroid. But we have seen out of those protests, there are so many casualties and many properties destroyed out of the protest of yesterday. But unfortunately, here in Kisii, we lost one person who was shot by the police. A number of the people that we have seen in the wards, they have head injuries, and most of them, they were hit by blunt objects. And these blunt objects, I'm told, they are goons who had rungus, who were molesting and harassing demonstrators, as it were. But fortunate enough is that most of them, they are in a stable condition, whereas there are those ones, the unfortunate thing, there is a lady who was pregnant, was hit again. I'm told she's 36 weeks, was hit in the stomach, but I'm told that she's in a stable condition. Hopefully that she'll get her out soon. The yesterday protest in Kisii turned chaotic. We don't expect that Kisii to be in this state. Kisii has been the place anybody from anywhere can run to when there is a problem in the country. But as was witnessed yesterday, Kisii turned out to be again the worst place because of the planned, and I want to state, the planned infiltration into the peaceful demonstrators who are having their demonstration in this town. I've taken upon myself to call upon sobriety among our people, but more importantly, I want to call upon the police. You used excessive force yesterday. You watched properties destroyed. Many of people's property were destroyed. Up to midnight, there were gangs, I'm told, and this is information, I'm told, there were gangs which were guarded by the police, routing chemists around the hospital here, Mwembe, and these goons, some of them targeted business. Unfortunately, the ones which were happening here, I'm told they were targeting one of the member of parliament house. And I want to ask our people, please, be it somebody who voted yes or no, they are our people, they are our leaders. We can deal with those leaders at the right time, because when you want to touch down those houses, know that their children are innocent children, they are innocent people in those compounds. Let us not try that. But again, allow me to say this, that there were 30 injuries which were reported in the hospital. 22 are still in the wards. 2, they are due for theater. 2 had gunshots. And the rest had the beatings from the goons. And those goons, I'm told some of them, they may not be even from Kisii. If they were from Kisii, they must be from very far because there were new faces in town. These are the people who are terrorizing people. I want to ask my people, please, please, the attacking on the ambulance, it was uncalled for because the ambulance was helping those ones who are injured, even those ones who are attacking those ambulances. You will attack that ambulance and you will be hit either by a bullet or by a tear gas. Then the same ambulance people will help you. I don't see the reason why people would come and lit fire in the entrance of the hospital. Police threw tear gas into the compound of the hospital near or next to the ICU, children's ward, maternity ward, newborn ward. The doctors, they had to make sure they have evacuated all those people from those wards until the situation calmed. I want to congratulate our staff. The doctors, the nurses, the clinicians, all the workers of KTRH did a great job to save lives. Congratulations. A team of 30, is it these ones from UK? 10. A medical team of 10 who are attached here from the UK, we want to thank them because again, they helped so much. Before I say anything, I wanted to ask the doctor in charge because I'll again mention a clique of the people who are believed to cause mayhem in this town, whom we must bring down to books and address them straight on their face. What is the second course of action that we'll be able to have before them? Daktari. As school-going children, I've seen them in the wards. But again, there is a clique of people there, I'm told, who have been causing problems in this town, close to 376 who have been engaged before, and most of them, they are street children. They're no longer street children. They're actually grown-ups. They're adults. Some of them over 27 years, 30 years. We're looking for a way to, again, sit down with them. We see how we can rehabilitate this group of people. Otherwise, if we don't do that, there will be a big problem going forward. But more important,